How to normalize a confusion matrix? I calculated a confusion matrix from my classifier using confusion_matrix from scikit-learn. The diagonal elements of the confusion matrix represent the number of points for which the predicted label is equal to the true label, while off-diagonal elements are those that are mislabeled by the classifier. I would like to normalize my confusion matrix so that it contains only numbers between 0 and 1. I would like to read the percentage of correctly classified samples from the matrix. I found several methods how to normalize a matrix, row and column normalization, but I don't know much about maths and am not sure if this is the correct approach.
I'm assuming that J stands for element of real class I was classified as J. If it's the other way around, you are going to need to transpose everything I say. I'm also going to use the following matrix for concrete examples. There are essentially two things you can do. Finding how each class has been classified. The first thing you can ask is what percentage of elements of real class I here classified as each class. To do so, we take a row fixing the I and divide each element by the sum of the elements in the row. In our example, objects from class 2 are classified as class 1 4 times, are classified correctly as class 2 5 times, and are classified as class 3 6 times. To find the percentages, we just divide everything by the sum 4 plus 5 plus 6 equals 15. Finding what classes are responsible for each classification. The second thing you can do is to look at each result from your classifier and ask how many of those results originate from each real class. It's going to be similar to the other case but with columns instead of rows. In our example, our classifier returns 1 1 time when the original class is 1, 4 times when the original class is 2, and 7 times when the original class is 3. To find the percentages, we divide by the sum 1 plus 4 plus 7 equals 12. Dash. Of course, both the methods I gave only apply to single row column at a time, and I'm not sure if it would be a good idea to actually modify your confusion matrix in this form. However, this should give the percentages you are looking for.
Suppose that then, to find out how many samples per class have received their correct label, you need the diagonal contains the required values. Another way to compute these is to realize that what you're computing is the recall per class. Similarly, if you divide by the sum over axis equals 0, you get the precision fraction of class K predictions that have ground truth label K.
Using Seaborn, you can easily print a normalized and pretty confusion matrix with a heath map.
From the scikit-learn documentation, plot example, where Cm is the confusion matrix as provided by scikit-learn.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.